What's this? What's this stuff? Kitty kitty drugs? Oh yeah. What is this stuff? Churu? This is like cat drugs. What are they putting in this? Kitty kitty quaaludes? Feline fentanyl? What is this stuff? The cat freaking goes nuts for it. And it's like, it reminds me of like liquefied bologna or something like that. It smells so bad. The cat freaking loves it. They were giving these out as free samples at the store the other day. That's how they get you, kitty. First one's free of the drugs. Yummy, yummy cat drugs. The cat never goes this crazy for anything. Well, shrimp. But to be fair, shrimp is pretty good. Can't blame the cat for eating fresh shrimp. But this stuff smells horrible. There you go. Is that good? Is it really that good? I better start tasting your stuff, see how good it is. Won't eat fresh chicken. Won't eat fresh beef. Won't eat turkey. Only seafood flavored filth. That's all we want. Yeah, this stuff, I have no idea what's in it. This is a tuna flavored one. The ferocious tiny tiger. When are we going to get to some mousing, huh? When are we going to get back to some mousing, kitty? Your mousing has been slacking. I haven't seen no mousing activity lately.